Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Airbnb calendar not loading. First, check your internet connection and then make sure that it is stable as the calendar requires real-time data to load. Next, refresh the app or page. If you're using a browser, reload the app to update the calendar. Then, go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few while and reopen it. Then this will fix the temporary glitches. Next, head over to your app store or your Play Store, search for Airbnb and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version, as outdated versions may fail to load certain features like the calendar. Now, if you're using the Airbnb in a browser, clear cache and cookies, then try again. Now, if the calendar still does not load, it may be due to server issues, so wait a few minutes and then try again later. That's how you fix the calendar not working issue in the Airbnb app. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.